Okay, so Apple's April 20th event just concluded a few hours ago, and now I'm going to give you my thoughts and basically a rundown on all the products that were announced and the updates to existing products that were announced and the pricing and release dates as well. Before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel as well. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. So first, let's address the main star of the show, which is the 24-inch M1 iMac with a 4K Retina display. Well, 4.5K Retina display. The iMac, I don't really like it that much. The colors look really cartoonish. Apart from three of them, all the other colors look really cartoonish, and it looks like something that you'd see on Cartoon Network. It does not look as professional as the older design. And I would have preferred the older design with the newer colors and a bigger display, well, not a bigger display, but lesser borders on the display. I would have preferred that to be the redesign, but the new design, I'm not really digging it. It is really slim and stuff. It's only 11.5 millimeters thick, so it's really slim. But I would have preferred the older design with the newer colors and lesser borders. That would have looked way more professional. This thing looks sleek, but it's not professional. It looks like something you'd see on a cartoon. The first thing that reminded me of when I saw it was Jimmy Neutron or the Fairy Odd Parents or something like that. Something really cheeky and cartoonish. It does not look professional. But it is what it is, and that's what Apple chose to. If you still want the old professional looking design, you can still go for the 27-inch, which I hope they don't replace with another one of these as well. But you still can purchase the 27-inch with the older design as well. Like I said, it comes in a bunch of colors, so blue, green, pink, yellow, silver, purple, and orange. And like I said earlier, there are three of them that look nice. The blue, the green, and the silver. The silver is obviously the base color, which most people will be getting the silver because it doesn't look like too colorful. But people who do like color will be getting the other colors as well. But I personally would go for the green because it looks really nice, or the blue. But then again, this always boils down to personal preference. So now that that's out of the way, we can discuss pricing and availability. So the new iMac will be available for purchase or pre-order this April 30th, so in a few days, but it will only ship out on May, probably after May 15th, because it says the second half of May, so after May 15th. So available on April 30th, 2021 for pre-order, and it will be shipping the second half of May. It comes in, like I said, multiple colors, and these colors only, there are first three colors, as you can see. I forgot which colors. The base model, I think, only comes in 4 or 3 colors, as you can see in the screenshot. And if you want to upgrade, you get the other few color options as well when you go to higher models. The starting price is $12.99 for a 8-core CPU and a 7-core GPU M1 processor. And it goes up from there, and like I said earlier, when you do upgrade, you get the more color options as well. I can't really remember what the base color options are, but you would have seen them in the screenshot. There's also an option for a Magic Keyboard with a Touch ID sensor, which is also color matched to the iMac. That is an option, and I think it's included in the higher end models. I can't really remember, but it is what it is. So that is the rundown for the new iMac. A bunch of new colors, 4.5K Retina display, redesign, which I really don't like, but it is what it is. It's running the new M1 processor, so it should be quite interesting, to say the least. Now let's move on to the next star of the show, which is the new M1 iPad Pro. So like the rumors said, mini LED display, which they call Liquid Retina XDR. It also comes in 5G and has a few other improved features and storage options, which includes a 2TB storage option as well. Similar design, it comes with a kickstand, so it has a kickstand like thing which doubles as a case, and it's basically the same thing, but it also, the new display should be definitely a huge upgrade over last year's displays and stuff. So mini LED, it's a new technology. I think this is the first product of Apple that has a mini LED display, so it should be interesting to see the least. It also has a new wide-angle camera. The rear camera is wide-angle, and the front-facing video call camera is also wide-angle. And there's a bunch of new features which you can read on their website. Availability, it will be available like the iMac on April 30th for pre-order, and it will be available to ship and purchase on the second half of May. Starting price is the same like last year, $799 for the 11-inch model and $1,099 for the 12.9-inch model, and that was the M1 iPad Pro. Slight upgrade in terms of everything else, but a huge upgrade in terms of display. It's a new technology. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure it's really good. It's a new technology, the first of its kind on an Apple product, and we'll see how it goes. But nothing much to speak about the new iPad, but because the next thing is quite interesting, which is the new AirTags. So the AirTags, which basically are a precision tracking device for anything you can stick it on, basically. It uses Find My... Why do I almost say I find it? Find My iPhone. It uses Find My iPhone to track whatever you've stuck it on. And like I said, it's a precision tracking device. You can stick it on your keys using the separately purchasable key tag like things. They're really expensive. You get the Hermes ones. They're like $400 for some reason. No, I'm not sure any person in their right mind would purchase a key tag for $400, but I'm pretty sure there's some tutti frutti people out there who'd actually do that. Well, I'm not judging, but you know, $400 for a key tag. I'm not saying reevaluate your life, but I'm also saying reevaluate your life. But anyway. You can get the cheaper versions from Belkin for like $12.5, but I'm pretty sure cheaper ones will be available on eBay in a couple of months for like $2-3. So I'd suggest you wait. So this thing is quite interesting. It's a really tiny thing. It's I think the thickness. Well, the thickness I can't really remember, but it's on screen. But the diameter is 1.26 inches, so 1.26 inches in diameter. It has a replaceable battery, so that's important. Apple has stated it's a user replaceable CR2032 battery, so standard coin battery CR2032. You can buy it from any shop. It's pretty common. User replaceable battery might work for about a year. Depends on how you use it. It's going to vary. So it uses very little power. Speaking of power, it has the Apple U1 chip. It also has NFC and an accelerometer to know when it's moving. It has IP67, so it has an IP67 water resistant rating, so that's good. You can drop it in water and it's not gonna break. Like I said, the AirTag can be used with many straps. Belkin ones are the cheapest, but eventually there'll be cheaper ones. And it will be available to purchase starting pre-orders April 23rd, so in 3 days time. And it will be available to purchase and ship on April 30th. The single, if you're gonna get a single AirTag, it's just $29, so extremely cheap. Really good job on the pricing there, Apple. And if you want to buy 4 of them, so you can stick it on many things, you can buy 4 of them for $9.99. They also come with free engraving, so you can engrave your AirTag to make it more personalized, which is nice. So starting price to $29, and a pack of 4 is $99. So really good pricing there. I'm really happy with that. So the other product that was announced is the Apple TV 4K with a new redesigned Siri remote, which was it looks obviously similar to the older remotes, but it has a few other buttons, and the trackpad like thing is slightly bigger now. I'm not an expert on Apple TV, so don't judge me if I get something wrong here. Starting price $179 for the 32 gig model and $199 for the 64 gig model. Pre-orders will start April 30th, and it will be available on the second half of May, just like the iPad and the iMac as well. And the final sort of upgrade, well, not upgrade, just color upgrade, I'd say, is that the standard iPhone 12, and I think the iPhone 12 mini as well, I'm not sure, maybe the mini as well, yeah, but the standard models They'll be available in a bright purple color as well now, just like the iPhone 11's purple color. So you can get that option if you like it. The iPhone 12 is now available in purple. But yeah, that was the rundown of the Apple April 20th event, and just my personal thoughts on what the stuff was released. The new iMac with the M1 chip and a 4.5K Retina display. Somewhat like it, somewhat don't like it. We'll see what happens. The M1 iPad Pro mini LED display. Really want to see what that turns out to be. I'm pretty sure the display is going to be great. AirTags, basically find my iPhone for all your other devices, like your bag, your keychain, whatever you want to stick it onto. Then Apple TV 4K and a new color option for the iPhone 12. Anyway, that was the end to this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video helped you with any purchasing decisions you hope to make with the new devices said before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.